So I'm pretty sure this family got this idea from Brian Wood's family. I have no doubt they head out shopping this way with matching hats as well. Mike Warner, good morning live, sir, there at the Fred Meyer in Beaverton. Tell us about this lovely family who wears hats together and shops together and stays together, right?
Well, yeah, they do. They caught my eye. They came in together, and they're wearing these cool hats. And I'll just let them. We'll ask them. This is the Bennett family. Why are you guys wearing a hat?
Well, when we go shopping, there's a lot of people out, and so we want to make sure that we don't get lost. So we look for the hats.
So how do you find them? How do you not get lost? So you're just looking at heads.
Well, I mean, no one else is wearing a hat, so if we just look around, we're just like, oh, there's a hat.
Also, ask other employees if they've seen the hats if we're looking around a store, and they normally point us where the other person is.
Well, you guys look great, and they think you're a singing group, right? You're going to sing a song, right?
Yeah. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
There's no alcohol involved here, guys. I'm telling you.
That is so great.
Talented, fun, good-looking, creative.
And Mike, how many years have they been doing? Ask them how many years they've been out doing this together on Black Friday.
How many years? They want to know how many years you guys have been out doing this together.
Let's see. My oldest is 28, so we've probably been doing it at least 10 years.
So great.
Wow.
10 years.
A long time.
They don't get
The
lost.
hats are 10 years old.
Oh, no, these are new this year.
New hats.
Hey, Mike, thanks. We'll talk to you again throughout the morning. That's when it's suddenly fun to head out, and when it
It
becomes
is.
a
You do
tradition.
it as a
with
group. I
girlfriends,
think it'd be
family.
more fun than
Love
the
that.
solo drive. All right.